Help us help ourselves. That call from several farmers of the Production and Marketing Organization PMO Group in the rural farming community of Greenland, Manchester, who have spent millions to fix a farm road in their district to get their produce out to markets. They say more work needs to be done to make the road more accessible, and they're appealing to the government to help. Here's their story.
We need light and we need the road.
Based on its 40 years, we have been waiting and have not getting any form of help.
A clarion call from farmers in the rural Manchester community of Greenland. It's a 10-mile journey from the capital Mandeville, but farmers insist the Johns Hall Farm Road is the most suitable route to the town, especially if they want to get markets for their produce. They describe the treacherous alternative through Nash Hill.
When the rain falls, small vehicle cannot go up it because it's generally skid and out to run back down the hill because it's a very steep hill, and trucks are and truck cannot go at it with load. So it's a water channel where water always dig up that road.
But throughout Greenland, residents contend roads are so bad the drivers of public transportation are unwilling to drive there.
Don't at the gate there at the first entrance. We cannot pass, we have to take up the sick in our hand. Like, run have to carry, four-wheel drive, have to carry. Go out at the main road to go and take taxi. $6,000 me pay for in from out there so to go Mandeville.
And we have to go to the doctor. Me and my wife fall down one time, lick out the knee, and me fall down, pitch over one place there so.
Why? Because of the state of the road?
He says the state of the place that dig up.
We have acres of land which are now out of proper use because of the high cost to get fertilizer and to get workmanship to get the work done so that the produce can get to the market.
Very hard because sometimes you go field and for carry back in something them, you have to put it on your head. If you don't have a donkey, it's very hard.
And so the farmers and other residents decided to pool money together and through the farmers group took out a loan. Then on December 28, 2020, they started doing their own work on the road.
The rest of this part of the road which you can see there, which was Bragger Path, we got it get the excavator to chop it out so that the farmers can get their produce out, so that the citizen can be able to go out on the roadway and to get traffic come through. It cost us $2,049,150.
But with much more needed to get the farm road to an acceptable standard and money running low, the residents are appealing to the government to provide more funds so the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA can help. Now, earlier this year, the Agriculture Ministry announced plans to restructure the program to fix farm roads following a decrease in the budget for the 2023-24 fiscal year.